In today's video, I'm going to show you how to target location on TikTok ads. Using TikTok ads to precisely target locations can dramatically boost relevance and ROI. When you create an ad campaign, the geo-targeting tools live under the ad group to targeting to location settings in TikTok Ads Manager. You can choose to target by country, state, region, city, DMA, designated market area, or even postal codes, depending on what's enabled for your account. TikTok uses multiple signals like IP addresses and declared location to match ads appropriately. However, what's available to you depends on where your TikTok for Business account is registered. For example, accounts created in Australia may only allow targeting of Australia and New Zealand via the self-service platform targeting the US or UK. May require a managed or agency account setup, as you can see in here. Similar restrictions apply in other countries where geo-targeting is effectively locked to certain jurisdictions. That's where agency ad accounts or managed accounts come in. They're often granted access to a broader list of targetable regions. Some advertisers report unlocking 50+ countries, including US, UK, and Australia, once such access is granted or after consistent ad spend and account vetting. If your goal is to target multiple countries beyond your registration region, contacting TikTok support or requesting a manager can sometimes unlock additional locations. Some advertisers saw their accounts open up after spending consistently or raising a ticket with support. Once your locations are unlocked, you can refine targeting by layering location with demographics, age, gender, language, interests, devices, and even postal codes for hyperlocal campaigns. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.